This video is going to teach you how to adjust your notification settings in Schoology so that you don't get quite so many emails. So to adjust your settings, the first thing you need to do is go to the top right hand corner where it says your name, and from the drop down menu you're going to choose settings. To get to your notification settings, you'll choose the notifications tab. And here you have a lot of options. It's divided by academic for your courses and also groups. So you have school groups and public groups. So from here, you can go through each individual thing and say whether you want on or off, or you can also have custom as an option. Again, if you scroll down to your groups, this way you don't necessarily get notified every time someone joins the group or every time there's a post. It may not be necessary to get a notification every single time for those things, so you're welcome to turn those off here. Once you've made your choices about which notifications you'd like to receive, make sure you then go down and hit Save Changes so it actually applies those changes.